Come on, Mom. Catch up. Catch up, kids. Come on. Going to friend's house.
Have you played this game before?
I played it a long time tonight.
And what's it called?
Mexican plane.
Mexican Train? Okay. All right, where's the mom?
Here's the mom and she's the yellow.
Okay.
And I'm gonna show you your mom. Here's your mom, she's pink.
Okay. This is a fun game. I like how you're matching the dominoes. Can you start a new house right here?
I'm gonna start a new one. I know that Grandma and Grandpa, they should be these guys. Because if you just have one kid instead, because I think these can be the Grandpa and Grandma.
Grandpa and Grandma, black and white ones?
So I'm gonna build a house right here for them.
Okay.
And I'm gonna build a meaning, and it's gonna be a long house.
Okay. It's a great game.